Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get proof of income from Fiverr. This is particularly useful when you need to verify your earnings for tax purposes, loan applications, or any situation where you need official documentation of your freelance income. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where you've been earning your income. After you've logged in, look at the top menu bar where you'll see various navigation options. Click on My Business, and from the drop-down that appears, select Earnings. This section is where Fiverr keeps all your financial information and transaction history, making it the central hub for tracking your income. Once you're in the Earnings section, you'll notice several tabs available. Click on the Financial Documents tab. This is where Fiverr stores all official documentation related to your earnings, including the proof of income statements you're looking for. Now navigate to the State of Earnings section and click Choose Date Range. This feature allows you to customize exactly which time period you want your income statement to cover, giving you flexibility in how you document your earnings. You'll see a drop-down menu for the month period. Click on it and select your preferred month from the list. This determines the starting point for your income statement, so choose the month that aligns with the time frame you need documented. Right beside the month selection, you'll find another drop-down menu for the year. Click on it to select your preferred year. This ensures your statement covers the exact period you need, whether it's recent earnings or documentation from a previous year. Now, I should mention that I don't have any income recorded yet in my account, but if you've been earning on Fiverr, your statement will display all your transactions and total earnings for the selected period. Once you've set your desired date range, click Download Statement. Fiverr will generate your proof of income document, which you can then save to your device and use wherever needed. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your proof of income from Fiverr. This official document serves as verification of your freelance earnings and can be used for various professional and financial purposes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.